Hello, Chickie. What? Hello, Chicken Nuggies. There we go. I just wanted to come on here because I haven't been on here in a while, and I just want to say I am going to start posting more because I just want this to be a thing, you know what I mean? So, get ready, buckle up. Whenever I post, y'all better have some snacks because, let's be honest, snacks are a friend. I do have like a makeup brush cleaner majigger thingy coming. It's supposed to be here today, so look out for that. Don't mind the snail, it'll be fixed in the next video, okay? But yeah, I just wanted to come on here really quick, let you guys know I'm gonna start posting more and actually attempt to make this a good YouTube channel. So, buckle up and get ready for some good content. Hopefully. We'll see. Hoping it's good content. Hoping so. We're gonna get more adventurous with makeup. We're gonna do, I really want to start doing like going in dressing rooms and trying things on type of stuff, you know what I mean? So, hope you guys come along with me on this fun, crazy thing we call life. And, yeah. So, see you guys soon.